Is your cleaning business running you ragged?
Okay, let's flip that script.
If you feel trapped by constant demands, trust me, you are not alone. This cycle, it's a direct path to burnout. It just grinds you down.
The real culprit here is that mountain of repetitive manual admin work. Think about it. Hours spent just coordinating staff, calendars, and those last-minute changes.
And the client communication, it's just endless, right? Answering questions, sending reminders, it never stops.
And still using a paper checklists? Come on, that's just a recipe for slow, painful manual tracking.
But here's the good news. There is absolutely a way to make this quote your reality.
It's called smart automation. And no, it's not complex, it's just software doing the busy work.
Just look at the difference. You're swapping chaos for a smooth system that just works.
Okay, so let's check out your new digital toolkit. These are the real game changers.
Think of these as your new digital dream team. Each one has a specific job. And here's the magic. A new job gets handled without you even lifting a finger.
All right, ready to start taking back your time? Let's talk about some quick first wins.
First, centralize everything. Then, automate tasks. And finally, digitize those paper checklists for good.
Seriously, even just tackling one of these will immediately cut down on the busy work.
So why is this such a big deal? Because it's your ticket out of daily firefighting. And the payoff is huge. It's about getting your life back while your business thrives.
Which leads to the big question. When you get all this time back, what are you going to do?